Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, May 31st, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the best I can say is the uh, month of May is mercifully over. This has been one of the worst months trading that I've had ever. Uh, it seems like we haven't had a winning day all month. It's just been terrible day after day after day. Um, I will say that on this last day, even though we closed out another negative number today, we had one little glimmer of hope, which I'll show you in a minute. Um, so maybe that's a omen for better things to come. I will be uh, sending out the new portfolio to my customers this weekend, and unlike practically any time since I've been doing this, I am dropping almost the entire portfolio of 50 some stocks. They just were all terrible, and so I'm throwing them out. But anyway, the month is over. The Dow had a horrible day. Again, as it descends lower and lower. Uh, Closing looks like it closed on its low today, down 355 points. And we are now firmly embedded in the 2400 range. I looked at the uh, chart for the whole month, and I believe that the Dow has dropped 1700 points in the month of May. That's just a real disaster. I think um, I'd have to look at it, but it's about the same as it did in December, which was also a terrible month for us. So, hasn't been good. Anyway, we had only two positions coming in. Um, One of those took off, and so we're keeping it. And the one we did have, we closed out, of course. So officially, we closed out $2,600 negative today. Um, we got into, we didn't really get it. We held one position, got into a new position. The new position is negative, but the one we held over is great, and I'm going to show that to you. Sometimes when the stocks really plummet, people start putting money into gold. And the one stock that we're holding is JNUG, which is the gold mining bull. And that just really took off. And so I'll show you um, that stock here. You can see here we got into the gold mining bull about second hour yesterday. It closed quite favorably, but then it just gapped up this morning hugely and kept going there very nicely. And we are holding over $8,000 in the gold mining bull JNUG. So that looks great. This looks like the kind of trades that we need to make money. And I don't know if we've had another one of these all month, but it was certainly nice to, on the last day of this terrible month, to have one of these great trades. Anyway, that's the way it went. You guys have a fantastic weekend. This is Trader Bob. I'll be back with a new portfolio on Monday.